In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox wait a second before rejoining. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So, do you experience when you join a server or a game in Roblox, you'll see a message or an error message that says wait a second before rejoining? So this problem may be caused by your browser. So what we want to do is to fix our browser. So first is we want to make Google Chrome your default browser. So let's just go to our settings. And from here in the left hand side, just select default browser. In my case, Google Chrome is already my default browser. So if in any case yours is not, you want to make Google Chrome your default browser. The next thing you want to do is to simply reset your Google Chrome settings. So from here in the left hand side again, you will see reset settings option and you want to restore the settings to their original defaults. Now, if the problem still persists, what you want to do is just turn off any ad blockers that is running in your background. So you want to click here on your extensions and find any ad blocker that is running. You want to disable that ad blocker because it may be the one causing some issues to your Roblox game. And another thing we can do is to just simply make sure that you have a stable and reliable internet connection. So that's all. I hope this fixes your problem. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.